Modeling division. In this lesson, I will be modeling division as equal groups. Kim has 12 markers. Kim arranges the markers in groups of 4. So in each group there are 4 markers. Count how many groups there are. 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. There are 3 groups of 4. So she started out with 12 markers, and she divided them into groups of 4. There were 4 in each group, and that equals 3 groups. So the number of markers, the number in each group, and the number of groups. Now I'll show you an example. First, make groups of 2 with the circles. So I'm actually going to do it with, I put a circle on here, and now I'm just going to change it to transparent. So now I have a transparent circle. I'm going to be making groups of 2, so I want to put this circle around 2. And so I can stretch it out. And you're going to be doing this with Jamboard, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So I'm going to stretch it out. There's 2 in there. And now I'm going to duplicate that and make another circle around 2 more. And then I'm going to duplicate it again and put it around 2 more. And then I'm going to duplicate it again and put it around 2 more. And now I have these last 2 here. And one more circle. So looking at it, I'm going to put in my example here. I have first make groups of 2, so I'm going to write the division sentence. The first one is the number of dots, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 dots. And then how many, I made groups of 2, so 2 in each group. And how many groups did I make? I made 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 10 dots divided by 2 in each group equals 5 groups. Now I'm going to show you on your Jamboard assignment, and you're going to be using the pen tool for the most part. And it says first make groups of 4. So I'm going to use my pen to circle groups of 4. There's 1 group. There's 2 groups. There's 3 groups. 5 groups. And 6 groups. Okay, so now I've made groups of 4, and I'm going to start out down here. It says number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 dots. And I put them into 4 in each group. So divided by 4. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Now I just gave you the answer to the first one, but that's how you're going to do the rest of the assignments. So the next one, first make groups of 2 with these circles, and then write the division sentence. First make groups of 3 with these circles, and then write the division sentence. And first make groups of 6 with these circles, and write the division sentence.